Remember a time when we thought iPhone 10, which cost like 1 lakh rupees, was a lot? How about headphones that's going to cost you 60,000 rupees? That's right. These are the Apple AirPods Max. Now, no one knew about this, it just came out of nowhere. We did expect overhead wireless headphones maybe around March 2021, but we just got them now. We already got the M1 based architecture MacBooks and the iPhone 12 series, but this just came off as a big surprise to everyone. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And here we are finally waiting for the moment to unbox the AirPods Max. And I almost got it. Yeah, it's out of the box. And wow, it's like right there. And just take a look. I mean, we don't get any stickers or anything. Thank you, Apple. And yeah, that's with the papers and stuff. But you also do not get the charging brick. Hey, that feels pretty heavy. Like, I don't know, it feels pretty heavy. I don't know what Apple was thinking with this cover. It's packed with like butter papers and stuff. It just looks a little bit weird. I think I don't even want to get into all the details because you have already seen what Twitter has done to this particular design of this headphones. Not the headphones rather, but rather the case. And then finally we get them out of the case and boom. Here's what they look like. We got the silver color. They really feel gold, like metal, like, but it's actually made of anodized aluminum and has a steel frame. So wow, that really feels good. I really like that. And just take a look at this hair, the band like thingy. It's actually used to like distribute the weight across. I think that might be a useful thing though. A lot of YouTubers were asking why couldn't Apple put their logo on the ear cup, but personally I think it's just that it looks much more cleaner and smoother this way. And look at the ear cups, they just come out, they just pop off. And that's a really cool thing about this, that you just completely pop off and you can put it back in maybe another color that would look good, maybe like a silver and black or silver and red. I don't imagine a lot of people doing that, but clearly there are some of us who are really intrigued by this. Another thing that I don't like this case because it does not do a lot of protection, and wow, it's just so hard to put that thing in over there. So, yeah, I mean, yeah, finally, I think I got it, but looking at this, it's really heavy, it's clunky, and it reminds me of one of those high-end premium handbags which just look pretty and they don't get the job done. So I've listened to a wide range of music ranging from hip hop, lo-fi, acoustics, guitar, jazz, instrumental, rock and metal. So among all of these, what I can definitely say is that the soundstage or the ability to like separate out the instruments in the song is much better on the AirPods Max. Now, maybe one of the reason being for that is that the AirPods Max, they do have two set of chips, that is the H1 on both the ear cups. So maybe it does a much better job by audio computing, as Apple is really popular with that. And something to note here is that Apple AirPods Max might just work with Apple products. That's not true. As you guys can see here, I'm using the Google Pixel 4 running the Android system and it works perfectly fine. Um, there is no such particular thing that where Apple products are not going to work with non-Apple products. All you guys need is a Bluetooth. So what we are looking at on our right side is the Bose 700 noise cancellation headphones, and on our left we have the AirPods Max. Now this is just a bonus part since I just wanted to do a quick comparison video. Now Apple AirPods Max, they like to call this the telescopic arms, and I have to say this weighs about 384 grams. The Bose on the other hand just weighs about 250 grams. But now coming to another thing is that the cushion on the Bose, the headband, feels a lot more easier. However, there's one little thing which I don't like with the Bose headphones, And that is the fact that, I mean, just take a look at these ear cups. They just become so worn out, and they lose their color over a period of time. So, and they're not easy to swap. I mean, there's a lot of work to be done. So I don't really prefer that. For that part, I do prefer Apple's AirPods Max. I mean, they have a really cool solution. What you do is, yeah, you can just simply throw them out and get them back on with either the same color or different color, whatever you like to do. They are gonna cost you about 6,500 rupees for a set. So just let that sink in. And you cannot replace the headband or the canopy. You can just swap out the ear cups. So keep that in mind. So the spatial audio is there on the Apple AirPods Max, and that's something which is not there on the Bose. I was really looking forward for that, and it works like magic. I was really impressed by that. So another thing to notice is that the battery life when you're going to use them. So there is no there is no switch button on the AirPods Max. All you do is that you put them in this case. But actually, Apple had some initial confusion that if you wanted to put the AirPods Max in the ultra low power saving mode, you have to put it in the case. But Apple has retracted that statement, saying that that doesn't have to be. Even if the AirPods Max are just left idle for, like, let's say about 2 hours, they would go in the same state. Hi, so this audio recording is actually done by the AirPods Max. How does this sound? So this is what I sound like on the Bose 700. So guys, before we even get into the noise cancellation part, let me just give you an overview that why do people spend so much on noise cancellation. So you have two kinds, like passive noise cancellation and active noise cancellation. Passive is just like, physically doing a lot of things and covering your ears so that a lot of disturbance or sound doesn't go in. Now with active noise cancellation, the idea is that, well, let's just imagine that there are sound waves around you everywhere you go. With active noise cancellation, what they do is that when there's outside noise, they have this sort of waveforms, and when they kind of reach out to you in your ears, these headphones will kind of automatically detect them and create the opposite sound wave. And hence, the audio what you get from the headphones would be a lot more clearer, crispier, and without any disturbance. Okay, so the battery life, both of these headphones are going to give you 20 hours of battery life. Something which I really hate about the Apple AirPods Max is that there is no pass-through audio. So imagine that if there is no battery on the headphones, you cannot use your typical aux cable or the 3.5 jack and listen to your headphones using the wired connection. Whereas on the Bose, you do get that. So that's definitely a point for Bose. Okay, so my concluding thoughts. Is the Apple AirPods Max better than the Bose 700? Maybe by a teeny tiny bit, but that is not worth the extra 30,000 rupees. That being said, I leave this completely to you guys. If you guys are in the Apple ecosystem, you do enjoy switching between your Mac, iPhone, or iPad, then the AirPods Max is your choice. But the Bose 700 is nonetheless not too bad. Like, I mean, it's really good. It's like right up there with the Apple AirPods Max. So with that, let's conclude this video. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like, comment down below, and share it with your friends. Till then, stay rad. Now, if I were to conclude, our pick would be the Bose 700 based on the design, the quality, and the price point. Because let's face it, that the AirPods Max is making the Bose 700 look almost affordable, and that's something which I cannot comprehend.